third example is our sphere. We are going to calculate the volume of a sphere. Now, the formula for the volume of a sphere has already been proven and has already been given. The volume of a sphere is equals to 4 over 3 pi r cubed. This, take note, this is the formula for the volume of a sphere. 4 over 3 pi r then cube. It means that your value of your radius, you have to raise it to the power of 3. Then your pi is constant. We all know pi to be what? To be 22 over what? Over 7. Then this 4 over 3 is also what? Is also constant. Now, for you to be able to calculate the volume of a sphere, you must be given your radius or your diameter. If you are given your radius, use the value of your radius straight. If you are given your diameter, that means you have to what? You have to divide your diameter by 2 to be able to get radius. If you are given radius as 3, use the 3 as your radius. But if you are given diameter, for you to get your radius and you are given diameter, you have to divide your diameter by 2 to get what? To get your what? Radius. Are you getting? Alright. Now, this is our sphere. Let us assume we are given the diameter of this sphere to be equals to 6. The diameter of our sphere is equals to 6, and we are asked to calculate the volume of the sphere. Now, calculate the volume of the sphere above. This is our sphere with diameter 6, and we are asked to calculate the volume of the sphere. And I told you the formula for volume of a sphere is equals to what? 4 over 3 pi r cubed. Now we are given diameter. Let us first calculate the radius. Radius is equals to what? Diameter divided by 2. This is equals to what? 6 over 2, which is equals to what? Equals to 3. Therefore, our radius is equals to what? Our radius is equals to 3. Now, by the time we apply our radius equals to 3 into this formula, we have what? V is equals to what? 4 over 3 times the value of our pi is what? Is 22 over what? Over 7. Then times what is the value of our radius? 3. Then raised to the power of what? Raised to the power of 3. This will now be equals to 4 over 3 times 22 over 7 times 3 raised to the power of 3 is what? Is 27. Alright. Now from here, we can now begin to cancel. We can say 3 here, 1. 3 into 27, this is 9. So we are left with what? This is equal to 4 times 22 over 7 times 9. This is over 1. So by the time we multiply out, equals to 7, 9, 2. 7, 9, 2 divided by what? Divided by 7. 7, 9, 2 divided by 7 equals to 1, 1, 3, 1, 2 centimeter cube. Example 2. This is our sphere, and we are given our radius. Let's say here is what is 4. Alright. I want to calculate the volume. We already said using the formula, volume is equal to what? 4 over 3 pi r cubed. This is the formula of the sphere. So our radius is what is 4 in this case. So we are going to apply this is equals to 4 over 3 times our pi is what? 22 over 7 multiplied by 4, which is the radius, all into cube. Right. So this is equals to 4 over 3 times 22 over 7 times 4 raised to the power of 3 is what? 64 over 1. Alright. So when we multiply everything out, we have 5, 6, 3, 2 over 7 times 3, which is equals to what? Is equals to 21. So when you divide this one, to be equals to 268.19, which is approximately 268.2 centimeter. The fourth shape we are going to be talking about is the hemisphere. Now, hemisphere and sphere, they are similar. Hemisphere is half of a sphere. If I have my sphere like this, divided by 2, and I decide to clean this top portion, this is my hemisphere. Alright. And to calculate the volume of a sphere, hemisphere, is just to calculate the volume of a sphere, then you multiply your answer by 1/2. Or calculate the volume of a sphere and divide your whole answer by 2. So volume is equals to 4/3 pi r cube times 1/2, or 4/3 pi r cube divided by 2. Alright. So from this diagram of the board, let us calculate the volume of the hemisphere. The radius, you can see the radius is what? Is 3. So now the volume of a hemisphere is equals to what? 4/3 pi r cube. We said what? Multiplied by what? 1/2. And we have our radius to be what? Radius to be 3. So this is equals to, substituting it into our formula, is equals to what? 4/3 times the value of pi is what? 22/7 times our r, which is 3 raised to the power of what? Of 3, all into bracket open, times 1/2. Alright, so this is equals to 4/3 times 22/7 times 3 raised to the power of 3 is what? Is 27/1. Alright, all into bracket open, times 1/2. So this is what we are having. So now from here, I can choose to divide 3 here, 1. 3 in 27 is what? Is 9. Alright, so I'm now having 4 times 22/7 times 9, then times 1/2. So by the time you multiply out, to what? 792 divided by what? By 7 times 1/2. So this is equals to 792 divided by 7. I'm having 1.113.14, then times what? 1/2 equals to 56.57 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of my hemisphere. Alright, my next question, could be calculate the volume of a hemisphere with the radius 7 centimeter. Alright, so if you like, you can draw the hemisphere. Like you can draw it. Radius is what? Is 7. Radius is 7 centimeter. Alright, and we said to calculate the volume of a hemisphere, the volume is equal to what? 4/3 pi r cube, all into bracket 1 times 2. This is the formula. Alright, so this is equals to, our radius is 7, so we're having 4/3 times pi is what? 22/7 times the radius is what? 7 raised to the power of what? Of 3. All into bracket open, you can see times 1/2. Alright. Now from here, I can cancel out. This 7 can cancel one of this one to make it 2. Right? Alright. So this is now equals to 4/3 times 22 times 7 raised to the power of 2, all equal to 4/3 times 22 times 7 raised to the power of 2 is what? Is 49. Then times 1/2. So by the time you multiply out, I can say this is over 1, this is over 1. So by the time I multiply out, it's equals to what? 4, 3, 1, 2. Divide by 3 all into what? 1/2. So this is equals to 4, 3, 1, 2 divided by 3. I'll be having what? 1, 4, 3, 7.33. Then everything times 1/2. So it's the same thing as saying all this one divided by 2. It's the same thing as saying 1437.33 divided by 2.33 divided by 2. This is equals to what? 718.66 centimeter cube. Can be approximated to 718.7 centimeter